and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're old and a returning subscriber, thank you very much to my OGs for supporting this channel. This is your girl Lucy here. Today I have got this very simple drink that if you have been struggling to burn that excess belly fat or burn any extra pounds, unwanted extra pounds in your whole body, then you have come to the right channel, because I am going to share with you this one drink. It's straightforward, it's easy to make, and it only requires 3 ingredients. Yes, 3 ingredients, and it is very simple to make. And anything that I share with you in my channel are stuff that I have tried, I've seen results, hence that's what I'm sharing with you. So I will not share anything that doesn't work, because I try it myself. That's why I'm sharing with you. So I will show you before and after pictures of the results by drinking this drink. And if you are someone who also doesn't like drinking water, this is a great drink for you, because you can use it as a water substitute, and then drinking throughout the whole day, it will help boost your metabolism as well as shedding that belly fat as well. So without any further ado, I will let you watch the video, but before that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment. And also I post one video every week, and it is full of good stuff. So if you do not want to miss that, don't forget to hit that bell notification button. So anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified, yes. So without any further ado, I will leave you to keep watching the video, and thank you for stopping by again. Bye.